Hello and welcome to Smith's Nissan in Peterborough. Here we have a 2022 Toyota Yaris Cross 1.5 VVT-i XL. It's a hybrid automatic. This car comes with balanced manufacturer's warranty. Extended warranties are available through us. It comes with a multi-point inspection by Nissan trained technicians and a full history check. We can also offer a full range of finance packages to meet your requirements. Let's take a look around the car. Here we are up front. We have LED headlights, LED fog lights, and front parking sensors. Coming down to the passenger side front wheel. Coming along the side, we have privacy glass. Down to the rear wheel. Coming round to the back, we have rear parking sensors and a reversing camera. This car features an electronic tailgate. Coming down to the driver's side rear wheel. Let's take a look inside the rear. Inside we have half leather, half cloth interior. Let's take a look inside the front. Inside we have heated front seats. Here we have the infotainment screen and climate controls, heated seat switches, drive selector, electronic handbrake, a heated leather steering wheel, coming down to the driver's side front wheel, and back round to the front. Thank you for watching this video.